Hello from Ushuaia, the end of the world. This is the most southern city in the whole world. We're very near the South Pole. Beautiful icy top mountains over there. We got the ocean here with icy cold rich waters, which means we have some seafood. We have very, very, very delicious seafood over here. They have a specialty, it's the king crab here. They catch them right out there. And well, check out this restaurant that I found, guys. I picked this one because, well, I'm gonna show you inside. Not only is the decor nice, but it seems like they do things the right way over here. A lot of stickers. So I want you guys to remember this. They have this carne madurada here. They're aging it in there. But I might come back and try that meat another day. What I want to show you guys is the king crab. Is these little monsters over here, and they're all alive because you want to eat them as fresh as can be. It changes everything. So we're gonna try a king crab over here. Check out the restaurant. Whoa, got some big fish there. Alejandra's over here waiting. Hello.
Hello.
And here we have the menu, guys. This is where we're gonna get the king crab. Depending on the size of the animal, they're pretty pricey. So at 20,000, we're gonna get the medium one. That's gonna be like $50–$55 USD. And check it out, wild caught, wild caught. And this is what it says about the meat over here. Have a look at all that. Basically, their cows eat on natural grasslands with no pesticides. The animal's free to move around, and nowadays they call it organic, but here they say this is just how we've been doing things forever. Esto siempre fue así. So they have almost no sides over here, guys. So you can either get like a salad or some grilled vegetables. We're gonna get the grilled vegetables, and of course we're gonna get some white wine, local from here in Argentina, to go with the seafood feast.
¿Sacamos?
Vale, ahí va. Alright, so este es el mediano, ¿no?
Sí.
¿Y no muerden?
No.
¿Nunca te ha mordido uno? Y eso los pescan
En el canal de Viven, ¿sí?
en el mismo canal aquí mismo. Este que vemos ahí allá. Wow.
¿Quiere agarrarla?
¿Así mismo?
Así, como la tengo ahí.
Ahí lo tengo.
Agarra con fuerza.
Oh my goodness, guys. Alright. I got the crab. Let's try to get a thumbnail. Es spiky. Es pinchoso. ¿Lo pongo ahí?
De espalda, ¿sí?
De espalda.
Así. Bien. Ahí estamos.
Alright.
¿Listo?
Listo, vamos. So they're gonna let me show you guys the cooking process. Basically, they boil them alive. That's the local thing. They'll explain some more. Ouch. Prickly little guy. Alright. Oh, ese ya está listo allá.
Eso ya está listo.
Wow. Entonces la magia aquí es literal tirarlo ahí y más nada.
Más nada.
Nada más. Mire, este es un detalle para tener en cuenta. Mire la pata que se va a comer. Esta patita la perdió.
Sí.
Y la está creciendo, ¿eh? Ve cómo recupera su
Ok, se le pierde una pata y le crece otra de nuevo.
Claro, la va creciendo. Y normalmente la pierde porque se la comen entre ellos.
Entre ellos mismos son...
Claro. Cuando cambian el caparazón quedan sensibles y ellas mismas se...
Ok. ¿Y hace mucha diferencia entre que el animal esté vivo o no?
¿En qué sentido?
Cuando lo cocinas. La
Claro,
carne.
porque va a ponerse firme.
Okay.
Si la tomas ahora está medio como líquido,
suave, sí.
más suave, una cosita así.
Vale. Muchas gracias. Alrighty, guys. So this guy is ready. And then, well,
Este es el
That's the way it
que
is.
tiene la ñata.
¿ese es el qué?
Pez gallo.
Pez gallo, ¿de acá también?
Sí, es de acá, de las aguas nuestras. No es muy frecuente encontrarlo. O sea, hoy recibimos un pescado fresco y hay un pez gallo. Esto es
delicioso. Alright, you heard that, guys. So aquí todos los pescados llegan fresco al día, sí.
¿Viste la película de Ratatouille?
Sí.
Bueno, el cocinero siempre sale por acá. Yo tengo una portiva,
Ah, por ahí. Alright, that's it. Alright. I'm very check out this fish. Pez gallo, that means the caught fish. And of course, guys, not Argentina without some football memorabilia somewhere there. The world champions. Alright, guys, so yeah, little guys bowling up there. This is the tool to eat, guys. I'm not much of a crab guy, but when I saw this animal here, I had to try it. I had to share it with you guys. And Andrew has scissors in their hands, looking dangerous. Hey. So even though it's early in the year, where in most parts of the world is winter, here it's summer at the moment. So a long time ago, there were indigenous people here before a Portuguese explorer arrived, and then they killed them off. They used to live here, guys, and check out some of their snowshoes. It snows a lot over here. This is a winter wonderland. You can ski here in the winter, do all sorts of activities, but we're here in the summer. We're gonna have some king crab. The food is arriving, guys. The grilled vegetables. And our friend over here.
Muy bien.
Alright. Entonces solo con esta tijera lo ataco y ya.
¿Y listo? ¿Sabe cortar?
No. I'm a novice, guys, I'm honest. Para ver. Tú tampoco sabes de qué te ríes.
¿Cómo estás el día? ¿Cómo estás el día?
Bien.
Tranquilo, ¿no?
Sí.
Ah, te iba a consultar después. ¿Podemos pasar por aquí si le muestro?
Sí, claro. No hay problema. Y se corta por acá. Sí, por la parte más tierna, siempre.
Ah, ok. Bueno. Mr. Krabs de SpongeBob.
Oh. Okay.
Alright. No, yo con los demás, yo las hago.
Sí.
Vas a cortar a la vuelta,
Ajá.
luego la vas a girar y se entra la tijera por aquí.
Ajá.
Y se va apretando para que la puedas abrir.
Y se abre toda. Ok.
Y se abre toda, ¿sí?
So, primero las piernas y después todo lo demás.
Todo lo demás.
Muchas gracias, muy amable. Alright, Alejandro, do the honors of the famous king crab, Mr. Krabs. Alright, that looks nothing like frozen crab meat.
Mira, yo tenía la idea de que sabía muy parecido a el cangrejo común. Y para nada, la carne es como mucho más, no sé, distinta. Tienes que probarla.
Alright,
O sea, en sabor es parecido, pero en textura es distinta. ¿Eso qué es salsa rosada? Sabe bien.
Mejor con la salsa.
Puede ser, o sea, no está mal. Me gustan ambos.
For somebody who grew up in South Florida, Miami to be exact, and never been a crab person, but when I saw this animal, I had to try it. I just had to. I'm gonna go here for this delicious, ultra fresh crab meat. Whoa. It's almost like fish meat a little bit. It's more rubbery, but look how it just breaks apart easily. It has a very unique texture. Very, very soft meat. Almost like string cheese. I mean, it looks like string cheese. It doesn't taste like it, but the texture in the mouth, that's exactly how it feels. They gave some lemons there. I'm gonna try the next round with lemons. Ush. Sí, puya mucho. It's a battle to eat them. Maybe I didn't cut my crab the best, but like some of the meat stays stuck and you just push your finger through the hole. None to be wasted. Let's give them a little more taste, guys. Just put a little bit of lemon juice there and see what effects it has on this baby. Look at all this meat. It goes absolutely perfect with the lemon. Definitely add some lemon to it. It's not like a huge change, but it's a subtle change that's very, well, my taste buds appreciate it.
Sí puede hacer la diferencia, limón. Definitivamente.
It's a small change, but it's
como suficiente.
Adiós, señora, buenas tardes.
Oh, all right. Muchas gracias.
Por favor.
All right, guys, you just opened up like a pot of gold there. And I must say, I mean, pretty obvious, but once he boiled it, the shell of this animal, it got extremely soft. It's still spiky, but it got soft. Alejandro's about to go vegan.
Sí, yo me como esto.
It's that time, guys. We're going in for the big claw. A very muscular part of this animal, as at least for the males, its purpose of living depends how big this can get so that he can fight off other males and be able to procreate. So we're gonna sample this part, and depending, look, I'm cutting right there and it activates the muscle there, the ligaments that it has to open up that claw. We're going in there to find the juicy, oh Lord. I'm not even a crab person, but that chunk right there looks juicy and it's dripping juice. This meat is different around this area. It's kind of like tuna. The texture, like there's many little pieces everywhere there. There's a big thing here blocking the view. Not the view, it's just this right here. This is what activates his claw. Yeah, I'm gonna have to dissect them a little more to finish everything off here. It's time to go in for our main entree, guys, and it's the meat in the center of this animal. So after you go through this army of legs, these prickly little legs, then we're left with this buffet of nothing but meat in there. So let's go in there, get a little chunk right there. This is the best part. This is the most tender meat inside of this animal. The legs, you know, they're muscly. He has to walk around the water. He has to fight other males, or she's a female. She has to protect herself from males trying to abuse her and other animals. So their skin is just really tough, but inside the center of this animal, lies, the main reason to eat them. This is the tastiest part. This is definitely 99.9% recommended. It's almost like a must. Alrighty guys. Woo! A king crab for a king. Oh look, they have their own little bus over here. Anyways guys, that's gonna wrap up this short and sweet video. The total for everything was 27,000 pesos. So we're looking at about 50, like less than $70 USD. I'm not a crab expert, but I'm very sure that king crab back at home is not gonna cost $50. But nonetheless, it was a very interesting meal. It was something different, something to try once. I wouldn't do it again personally. It's just to be cutting the animal. It's really something, if you're a crab person, you're really gonna enjoy that. But if you're not, then the whole dining experience, you're just gonna find yourself cutting the prickly legs the whole time, and it might not be your thing, or it can be. I made the most of it. It was actually kind of fun. Some people might get turned off by the animal, just having the whole, you know, the way everything happened. They get out of the tank and all that. It can happen. But nonetheless, dare I say, the best crab I ever had? Most likely it is. Definitely the freshest. I could definitely taste that. The meat was just super tender. Even the legs that are always working out. So yeah, that was it guys. So long from Ushuaia, el fin del mundo.